welcome to Life Less Ordinary. We're just out here at the moment and I've made the split decision to pull off the apples off this tree. Some Rainbow Lorikeets have been in here and you have a look here. In here, they have eaten a number of apples, so rather than lose the rest, which there wasn't much for this harvest left from the birds, but we're going to get these off now and salvage what we can. So let's pull some off. So there's one. Look at this one.
It's huge.
I reckon we're only going to end up with what, 6 or 7 apples?
Ooh, there's a lot in the middle here.
Alright, maybe 8. I think we'll get them. Maybe. So again, they've just started on that one. So I'm happy enough just to chop that section off. Oh, there's a couple here. There you go. This is what gardening's all about. Uggs. Oh, hang on, there's one more at the back. Oh no, there's a few. Oh, I'm surprised. I am very surprised. We are doing quite well. So the benefit of the way we have netted these is I can just pull these apart at the bottom to enable access. There we go.
That was tiny blown, but that's going.
Well, we do want to collect any of the bad ones and give them to either the chickens or the compost. Small one. Any more? I think that's it. Yeah. So sometimes you just have to cut your losses. That's not too bad considering I really didn't think we were going to get many at all. So plant an apple tree. Thanks for joining us in our Life Less Ordinary.